I bought a mystery box to understand if I could make money by buying mystery boxes for £80 and then selling the items online. Last time I did this, I was very lucky and I was able to make £100 via 2 items. Just to give you a bit of context, this mystery box here, this lovely mystery box, is 10 parcels that were lost in the UK mail system. Hopefully, I'm gonna have a good haul in here, which I can then later sell on eBay. But let's find out. The box is looking nice and full. Should be 10 items. We'll have a count shortly. I'm not sure there is 10, but let's have a look. Item number 1. We have a multicolored activity paper pack. So, a multicolored activity paper pack. Sounds like a little bit of a flop. However, I'm sure my nephew will like this one. Up next, we have, I'm not sure, I think it might be a handbag, but let's have a look.
A few moments later.
It looks like it is a lady's dress. Absolutely perfect for me, eh? Not quite sure what this is. It's a bit random, but hey, I'm not really into ladies' dresses, so I can't tell you if it's any good, but we can give it a try on.
A few inches later.
I'll be honest, I don't think it's gonna fit, sorry guys. Up next, we have a box. I'm hoping this could be a nice bottle of wine or whiskey, but unfortunately, it's a reborn baby doll, whatever that is. There you go. Reborn baby doll. Might just have a quick Google on what this is and see if it's worth anything. Reborn baby doll. Looks like they're worth, I don't know, about 30 to £65 on Amazon. Up next, we have another package. We have some lovely Halloween decor. It's very unfortunate that Halloween was just a month away. And also they're a bit dented. But I'll let you into a secret. My good friend Mike is getting married next year. And he's getting married around October. So these could be some nice little wedding presents for him, eh? Look kind of scary, can you see them? So far, a bit of a random haul to be honest. Up next, we've got a big bag. I have to be very careful not to rip these, you see. Ugh. I'm not sure what this is. It looks like it's some coat of some sort. I hope it's not another female coat and it's a coat I can wear, but let's see. So it's an unbranded coat, so not quite as lucky as it could have been, but let's give it a try on. Oh, that's gonna help me in the cold weather. Tell you what, it's quite comfy actually, this coat. I probably wouldn't wear it, but hey ho. Probably give it to charity if I'm being honest. The zip's not very good. Here's the coat, yeah boy. Look like a bit gangster in this, don't I? Quite comfy though, I tell you what, it's nice and warm. Not very good quality though. Up next, we have another parcel. So, we have a teddy. So, maybe that could be the friend of the little baby we have. I'm not quite sure what this teddy is, but it looks like it can stick on a window, so we'll give that one a go. Up next, this one's a heavy one, this one, blimey. Oh my god, what is this? It looks like some form of massive blanket. Oh, smells terrible. Ugh. Ah. Ah. I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like it's come from China. Oh, it's a rug. So we have a massive rug of the world. absolutely fantastic. Something that I've always wanted. I couldn't think of anything better. And I'll tell you what, it is massive. Woohoo! Let's get that out of here. I'm not doing very well. How many items have we had? We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I may have been shortchanged on the parcels. I should have had 10. But hey ho. Oh, another coat. What is going on today? I'm getting lots of clothing. Again, this looks like some terrible clothing. Whew. Another unbranded piece of shite. But let's try it on. So, another piece of unbranded shite. But let's give it a go. See what you think. Do I look pretty cool with my nice fleecy top and my nice coat? I don't think so, do you? So, on to the last parcel. And I will be honest, so far, it's been a terrible haul. I don't think there's anything here that is going to make me money. Whereas last time I did it, as I say, I was very lucky to have made £100 off of 2 of the items. Everything else was pretty much rubbish that I gave to charity. But last package, let's give it a go. Hopefully we're lucky, but who knows. And it looks like a massive flop. I think it's some form of wheel or something. I don't even know what this is. Let's get it out of the parcel, but some form of wheel. I really don't know what this is. That, whatever that is. If anyone can comment in the comment section, let me know what this is. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much. So, I will summarise. I've got a rug, I've got 2 coats, I've got a lady's dress that may or may not be worth something, but who knows, again, it's unbranded. I then had the little cuddly toy, the Halloween things. We then had the paper. Just want to say thanks everyone for watching. This isn't my normal video. These videos are here to have a bit of fun. Typically I talk about good money habits, how to make money online, etc. This was a bit of a side project to see if I could make money by buying parcels, mystery boxes, and then reselling them. First time did well, second time not so much. I may or may not do a third one, but let me know in the comment section if you'd like to see it. Thanks for watching everyone, it's been great having you. Bye bye.